The first thing you need to do is sign up. Click on the orange button in the top right-hand corner. Now you have your sign-in details, you need to sign in by putting in your email address and your password. If you have been given a meeting ID for somebody else, all you need to do is press on Meetings on the left and join a meeting on the top right. Enter the 10-digit number into the box and press Join. This number will then allow you into somebody else's meeting room. When system dialog prompts comes up, always press Allow. This will then open a new window on Zoom and connect you to that meeting room. If you click on Meetings on the left and then the Personal Meeting Room tab at the top, this will open all of your settings to your personal meeting room. You'll see your meeting ID and the password as well. You'll also see a link that says Invite Link. If you press on Copy Invitation, this can be copy and pasted to an email to the person who you would like to join your Zoom meeting. There's a link on there, but there's also a meeting ID and a passcode that they will need to get into your meeting room. This link in the attachment will just have a live link so the person can just click on it and join your Zoom meeting. The next thing you need to do is decide on a time that the meeting will be taking place. At that time, you need to press Start Meeting and then Allow, and it will open up your meeting room. Once connected, it will then ask if you would like to join the computer audio. Press on the blue box and it will connect with you. Then you need to press on Start Video. This will open your camera on your screen to focus on you. Next, if you click on Participants at the bottom, anybody that tries to enter your meeting room will appear here and you can admit them into the room. You can also use the chat facility at the bottom to keep in touch with everybody in your meeting room. You also have the facility to share on Zoom. You can share documents, photos, anything basically that you have on your laptop or computer. Just press Share Screen, make sure the window's open and it will appear in the box. You can also record on Zoom. This records from the moment you press the record button and it continues until you press stop. Whenever you're ready to end the meeting or leave the meeting, just press on the red button in the bottom right-hand corner. You can then close down all of the open windows that might be appearing on your PC or laptop and log out of Zoom. You can also schedule meetings if you press on Meetings on the left, Upcoming Meetings tab and Schedule a Meeting. You can add a topic, a description, when it's taking place and the time, how long it's going to take place for, and whether it's a recurring meeting. You then have to choose whether you'd like a new meeting ID for this specific meeting or whether you'd like to use your personal ID. You can then also turn off the passcode if you'd like an open entry, and you can also choose whether you're the host or a participant in that meeting. And then when you've got all of your details set, press Save. When your meeting is saved, it will then appear in your upcoming meetings. When it's the time to start, just press Start and then go through the whole procedure of allowing and then adding your audio. If you are having problems with your sound or video, just remember the line through them means they are turned off. If the line is no longer there, they are turned on. Once you have downloaded the Zoom app, you need to sign up. Once you've signed up, you then need to sign into Zoom through the app. Follow the buttons at the bottom to do this. This is the main screen on the Zoom app. On here you can create a new meeting, you can join someone else's meeting room, you can schedule a meeting and you can also share your screen. By pressing on Join, you will open a new window. On here it will ask for that person's meeting ID. Type this 10-digit number in and press join. At this point, it might also ask for a password, so get those details before you start your Zoom. If you press on the home button on the left, this will take you back to the main screen. If you now press new meeting, this will open the details of your meeting ID. This 10-digit number needs to be given to the people who you would like to join your meeting. Then you need to schedule a time that you would like your meeting to start and press start a meeting. If this box comes on, always press call over internet. Tap on the blue writing. Once you're on your Zoom meeting, all of your buttons will appear in the top right hand corner. These will be exactly the same as if you were using a PC or laptop. Just remember, if there is a cross through the camera or the microphone, this means they are turned off. And to simply put them back on, you just press them again. If your icons disappear at all, just tap in the middle of the screen and they will appear again. If you press on meetings on the left, this is a place where you can send an invitation to somebody to join your meeting room. Press on send invitation and email will come up. Simply pop in your email addresses to who you would like this to go to and press send. They will then have a live link to join your meeting room.